If you're thinking about selling your home in San Diego, there's one question that always comes up. What should I fix before I list? I'm Z. With the McT Real Estate Group here in North Park, and in this video, I'll walk you through a few easy low-stress updates that can actually boost your home's value and help it sell faster. The key is knowing what matters to buyers right now and what doesn't. Let's start with the outside. Curb appeal sets the tone. In a walkable area like North Park, South Park, and other metro areas, buyers are forming opinions before they even walk in the door. Trim the plants, refresh the mulch, clean the walkway, paint the front door. Simple stuff, but it makes a difference. If your house looks well cared for on the outside, buyers assume it's cared for on the inside too. Now let's go inside. Light and clean always wins. Swap out any burned out bulbs, add brighter light in dark corners. If your fixtures are really dated, especially in entryways or the kitchen, it might be worth replacing one or two. You don't need designer lighting, just clean and current. Next, tackle the small repairs you've probably been ignoring. Loose cabinet handles, squeaky doors, a chipped baseboard. These little things create a feeling of work to do, even if they're not major. The fewer distractions, the better. Buyers want to picture themselves living in your home, not fixing it up their first weekend. Now let's talk kitchens and bathrooms. You don't need a full remodel. In fact, I usually don't recommend it, but a few small updates can go a long way. Recaulk the tub, the shower if it looks tired. Replace any rusty hardware if your cabinets are solid but dated. Sometimes just swapping the knobs or pulls can modernize the space. Same goes for paint. Fresh, neutral walls make the space feel clean and move-in ready. And here's the big one, declutter. I know it's not glamorous, but it might be the most important fix you make. Too much stuff shrinks the space. It makes rooms feel crowded, closets look too small, storage feels tight. Buyers are drawn to light, open, easy spaces, so donate, pack, or store anything that's not essential. You'll be glad you did when it's time to move anyway. And one more thing, don't do all of this on your own. Before you spend money on anything, talk with someone who knows what buyers are responding to right now in your neighborhood. What works in one area of San Diego might not matter as much in another, and you might be surprised what you don't need to fix at all. I'm Z with the McT Real Estate Group here in North Park. We help sellers focus on smart updates, the ones that actually make a difference without draining your time or budget. If you want to talk through a quick pre-listing checklist for your home, book a free consult anytime. No pressure, just a simple walkthrough of what to do and what not to do before you put your home on the market.